Welcome back to the course Network and Cyber Security. Here we'll discuss about Module 4, that is Cyber Network Security Concepts. So, overview of this video lecture is we'll come across introduction, and again introduction to the cyber network security concepts, key concept of cyber security, and what is security architecture. We'll have general introduction about cyber security and attack. Cyber security is a critical capability for the defense and preservation of civil society. Cybercrime is one of the world's largest and fastest growing categories of crime. As we all know that as the technology is improving day by day, and still the crime rate is also increasing. So cyber espionage is epidemic and pervasive. So concealed malicious actors even threaten our electrical power grids, global financial systems, air traffic control systems, telecommunication system, healthcare system, and nuclear power plants. So these are all some possible areas where the cyber crime will be take place. So about cyber network security. Cyber security is the process and techniques involved in protecting sensitive data that we have stored in our computer system, and we are transferring those data through the networks and software applications from the cyber attacks. So mainly the data which is present in our computer system will be exposed to the unknown person when we start transmitting the data over a network. So those sensitive data we need to protect from the cyber attacks. So that is what the concept of cyber security. The cyber attack is the general terminology which covers a large number of topics, but some of the popular are. So the cyber attack concept is actually, it is very general terminology we used to say, but there are very some popular are. So the cyber attack will be take place through tampering system and the data stored within. They try to get access to our system, and exploitation of the resources. The resources of computers will be explored. Unauthorized access to the targeted system and accessing sensitive information. So they will fix the target. So for the same target, they need to they try to access the sensitive informations that we are stored in our computer system. So disrupting normal functioning of the business and the process. So here their intention is to their intention is to disrupt the normal functioning of the business, and using ransomware attacks to encrypt data and extort money from victims. So the last one is they are financially motivated. Their intention is to transfer the money or transfer the amount from the victims. So for that they have the several ways to do it, but so generally we say it's a ransomware attack. So some of the key concepts of cyber security. over here. So it is generally we say CIA triad. Okay, C stands for confidentiality, and I stands for integrity, and DA stands for availability. Okay, the CIA model we are using for the information security. Okay, triad. So we know that we know well known about okay, what is confidentiality. Okay, confidentiality is nothing but we are protecting our sensitive data from unauthorized access. And what is integrity? So integrity means that data is protected from unauthorized changes to ensure that it is reliable and correct. So then what is availability? Availability okay, that authorized users have access to the system and the resources they need. Okay, so generally most of the times we are using CIA triad as a key concept of cybersecurity. So the cybersecurity on a whole is a very broad term, but okay, it's based on three fundamental concepts known as the CIA triad. Okay, it consists of confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Okay, this model is designed to guide the organization with the policies of cyber security in the okay, realm of information security. Next, about security architecture. The cybersecurity crisis is a fundamental failure of architecture. Many of the network technologies we dependent upon daily have no effective security whatsoever. So basically, the cybersecurity crisis is a fundamental failure of architecture. So the architecture of the internet and the vast majority of deployed software, it's going to create significant opportunities for malicious explosion. So it is worth stating that if infrastructure and software technologies were engineered properly, they would be built to withstand known and manage unknown risks, and they would be significantly more secure than current day technologies. So the cybersecurity should have that capability to manage all kinds of okay, risks that is going to damage the okay, security by attacking some sensitive okay, data which is stored in our computer. So security architecture is a unified security design that addresses the necessities, okay, necessities and the potential risk involved in a certain scenario or environment. So it is also specifies when and where to apply the security controls. Okay, so it is very important to know that so in what conditions and in what circumstances okay, we need to apply this okay, we need to apply the security control. So the architecture of the internet and the vast majority of deployed software is going to create significant opportunities for malicious explosion. So the Zachman framework for enterprise architecture and applies it to securing enterprises. Okay, the framework or architecture who have invented is person name is okay, Zachman. The same name is given for the framework or architecture. Okay, so the Zachman framework. Okay, so for enterprise architecture and applies it to secure enterprises. The Zachman framework is powerful intellectual tool. Okay, actually it is a powerful and intellectual tool that enables complex organization to describe themselves including their mission, business, and information technology, IT sectors assets. With this self-knowledge comes awareness of risk and mitigations and ways of engineering security into solutions from inceptions. So here, we can use the Zachman framework or Zachman architecture, for a different sectors or a different fields. Okay. So now the Zachman framework serves as an overarching structure that organizes the problem-solving patterns catalog. Okay, we'll discuss in detail about what is Zachman framework, and what is services. I mean, what it is going to solve for solving the anti-pattern or a pattern catalog. Okay, we'll see that later in upcoming slides. Summary of this video. We have learned what is cyber network security concepts, key concepts of cyber security, that is CIA triad concept or CIA model, and what is security architecture. If you have any doubts after watching this video, feel free to post your doubts in comment section so that I am able to answer your doubts. Thank you for watching my video.